correct. And when I met with an accident, and that's when I proposed to you, right? कि that show शादी कर लेते हैं, मैं कर लूँगा सब कुछ.
So you had this conversation after the accident.
क्या आफ्टर द एक्सीडेंट, और उसके पहले भी मैंने प्लान किया था, ऐसा नहीं बोल सकता हूँ कि मैंने प्लान नहीं किया था. बट शो माई ओनली फॉल्ट विच आई फोरसी इज दैट आई वॉज टू होपफुल एंड too much, like you can say I was like a mama's boy, you can say that कि मेरे को अपनी मॉम पे ज़्यादा विश्वास था that this will be the right way and she will agree to what I say. Not today, not tomorrow, but someday when I get married and I see that how happy I'm living, it will be okay, it will be fine for it, correct. And मैंने उस मल्टीपल डिस्कशंस किए, ऐसा नहीं कि एक टाइम डिस्कशन नहीं हुआ, दो टाइम डिस्कशन नहीं हुआ, तीन टाइम डिस्कशन नहीं हुआ. There were multiple discussions, but everything was going for a toss when you know all those things started happening, the whole thing. And one more thing which I believe is that the whole friction started happening of two independent women. You were suffering largely because of that.
I would I would also say that more than an independent woman, it was just a power struggle. I was an independent woman. She was a person who is now living in her own life.
Yeah.
Without any rope talk from somebody else, and then that hierarchy, right?
ये बड़ों से पूछ के करो, ये करो.
हाँ, which was always a factor in her mind.
Yeah, that was there.
When she first came to meet my dad also, she had to bring somebody else.
Yeah.
To be the bada.
Yeah.
In the conversation. So here also, even though she could see that you and I are complete responsible people.
Yeah.
And we are taking a lot of responsibilities in the household also. Somewhere she could not let go.
Yeah, one
of
very
her control over the
very
household.
interesting fact that you have noticed was that ki, with my mom it was always this whole influence of friends, correct, which were also coming from a dysfunctional background, correct. So that has also played a larger role, that ki society क्या कहेगी, that was of the paramount कि यार ये होना चाहिए, तब जाके चीजें सही है रिलेशनशिप में. और देन यू शुड हैव अ कंट्रोल ओवर एवरीथिंग. पहले वाले जो सास बहू और जो घर के जो फैमिली डायनामिक्स होते थे, वो यही होता था ना कि बड़ा एक रहेगा और वो घर को कंट्रोल करेगा, जो वो बोलेगा वो ही होगा, करेक्ट. So for mom also it came somewhere down the line that ki she also wanted that whole power game, that you know if I say something that should happen, and both my kids, which were you and me at that point of time, should understand that what I'm going through is the right thing and it should not go anywhere else. And if I say this thing, then it should be the right thing to do.
Also, like after marriage, it's a big deal it's a huge financial change for a man as well.
Yeah.
Because there is one more person in the household. So the finances would change. Although you and I were sharing everything equally.
Correct.
When we were living there.
Yeah.
But still we took some financial decisions which in today's time you and I both agree were wrong.
Yeah. So I completely agree, so that we have been very open about our finances and we have been very intimate about our finances, and that's what we have always been doing, and that is one of the biggest strengths that we both have today, and that is where our relationship also started building. जो बोलते हैं ना कि
it's constantly evolving.
It's constantly evolving, but one of the base of our relationship start was all about finances, to be open about finances, and where we go, what we do, how we live, what exactly is required is something always being discussed. So yes, one of the biggest challenges which were being faced after we got married, and then the financial.
And very soon.
Yeah, very soon after.
Like within a month of marriage.
Within a month of marriage. So I remember what happened is that when we got married, correct, at that point of time my mom had a boutique and she was going to the boutique. Though some of the Marwadi loans were being taken off, and there was some amount of money which we got to know at that point of time, which I got to know that amount was more. And if you are coming into my house, I also wanted to decide that if something happens, so we had a discussion, if something happens, or if you wanted to, you know, take a leave, or if you wanted to do something, then what will happen at that point of time. Because today we both are working, but if something happens, then what will happen tomorrow? So that was the discussion with this journey started, and we started handling those finances. And I got to know that, dude, mom also has an amount of around 5 to 9 lakh rupees of amounting, which was still pending to be provided to Marwadi loan, which was there. And when we took that decision, it was an eye opener for both of us. And I am really sorry that you have to go through that point of time, because we took that decision, but that decision was actually damaging for both of us, because what happened in that whole thing was that I was not able to save any salary. I was
So
not
what
having.
we decided, like just to be clear for the audience, what we decided to do was that since we realized that mom's boutique was running into losses
Yeah.
and she was running it with the losses
Hmm.
by taking more loans.
Yeah.
So the whole business did not make sense because eventually it was just paying the people through taking more loans. So there was no break even, there was no money coming in.
Hmm.
It was just money getting accumulated in loans.
Hmm.
So what Karan and I decided at that point of time was to shut the boutique down,
Yeah.
tell mom to be at home,
Hmm.
and take on 5 to 9 lakhs of more personal loan
I had taken that
Huh.
loan. Yeah.
on Karan's name.
And pay off everyone.
Yeah, I was contributing to running the household in terms of so since now mom used to run the whole thing.
Yeah.
So she used to bring groceries also, she used to manage the whole household.
Yeah.
But now that we are telling her to sit at home,
Yeah.
so it becomes our responsibility to take care of everything.
True.
Right? So
True.
we decided to take care of the groceries also,
Yeah.
of bringing in the ration,
Yeah.
right? Because there was no money coming into her anymore.
Yeah. True.
It
True.
was
We
everything
were
that
providing her that
we were
monthly
providing.
money also, and
Yeah.
taking off her.
So we were
Yeah.
giving her monthly money, and
Yeah.
we were taking care of the house.
True.
So this resulted into Karan coming back to
Square one.
zero savings,
Yeah.
like cut to cut salary.
Cut to cut salary.
But we were okay with that also कि ठीक है चलो हम ये छोड़ देते हैं,
Hmm.
because my salary can be used for saving
Yeah.
and current salary is for everything else.
True.
This financial decision did to us was double damage, because suddenly mom had nothing else to do in life but to focus on us
Correct.
after so many years of
Running the business
running
and
her
doing
own.
whatever she
हाँ,
could do.
so
Yeah.
she used to be out of the house,
Yeah.
up and about on her own
Yeah. Yeah.
all day long.
Yeah.
But now suddenly she was home, she was meeting her friends, she was
Hmm.
going to satsang, doing
Yeah.
everything. At the end of the day, focusing on the both of us.
Correct.
Of what time we are coming back home,
Hmm.
what do we want to eat. So she just fully revolved all her life around
Both of us.
around both of us. And which was not the best thing to do,
Yeah.
because we lost our space.
Yeah, this was there. And so, I always had this when we were talking about what was my, thought process before marriage and after marriage. Before marriage, because I've seen my mom struggle so much, she's been living her life, seeing fights, working in a boutique, working as a beautician, going to doorsteps for selling clothes, and, doing so many things. I've always wanted to give her that life that she should sit home and do that. But I again never thought that if I do something like this, the whole dynamics of the house will change and it will only be both of us. So this should actually have been thought about by me in previous state. And plus, the kind of money or the loan that was being taken on Marwadi loan, it was huge, and that actually impacted our relationship to a larger extent, because
Yeah.
I remember that it was a very big decision that we took. And because of that decision, somewhere down the line, that conversation also was really heavy between both of us, because you came with a certain expectation that this is what my life would be, and this is how I wanted, this is my life would be, because as we discussed in previous episodes, that you come with a certain expectation from
Yeah,
You know, and
everybody,
everybody-
believes that life will get better after
life will be
shadi.
yeah. But then the whole situation of this whole financial decision that we took was really bad, and I'm really sorry for that thing happening.
And I
because
think it was for both of us, it was back to square one.
yeah.
What happened to us when we first time broke up
Hmm.
was with all of those issues, right? And then somehow, even after marriage,
Yeah.
we were still paying off loans. We
Hmm.
still did not have enough savings to spend on ourselves.
Yeah. Yeah.
And we still had to think twice ki अगर तुम्हें और मुझे कहीं घूमने जाना है तो हम जाएं या नहीं जाएं?
नहीं जाए, आई रिमेम्बर दैट।
या हम कहीं बाहर खाना खाने जा रहे हैं तो
कितने का खर्चा करें, कौन
हाँ।
से रेस्टोरेंट में जाएं, कितना खर्चा होगा,
Yeah.
या वी यूज्ड टू कैलकुलेट दैट।
and this was also another reason that we took over groceries,
True.
so that we can find the cheapest places, we can research and we can get whatever minimized.
Way of doing it.
Way
I
of
remember that
doing
whenever there used to be a sale, we used to go, and we used to. So Chembur does not have a DMart, and we used to go to DMart to Navi Mumbai and bring our
Yeah.
groceries and do the shopping. I remember that.
Yeah, and we used to get everything in bulk.
Yeah.
And somehow it used to happen that we were both still told that this is not good enough.
Yeah.
This is not how you do shopping.
Mhm.
You don't know anything about grocery shopping or running the household. And maybe Karan did not know that he was doing it for the first time, but I was doing it for a very long time.
Yeah.
And I was doing it for 2 houses. I was doing it for me and Roshni,
Yeah.
and I was also doing it for my home
In
in
Indore.
Indore.
For
because my mom used to do it before me. So afterwards, every time I used to go to Indore, grocery shopping and running the household and doing everything else used to be my
Yeah.
thing with dad. That he could not understand how to manage all of those things, so we both used to go and I used to do that
Mhm.
for him.
Hmm.
So I knew how to do it.
Yeah.
But then suddenly at the age of 29, 30, I am being told that I don't know any of it
True. True.
after doing it for a long time.
Absolutely. Yeah.
So that was also creating a lot of bad vibes between the two of us.
Yeah, two of us, and the whole dynamics was getting
Yeah.
damaged. Yeah.
Yeah. And I also feel that what you and I would have had as expectations
Mm-hmm.
or perception of a married life
Yeah.
was just lost.
True. You're absolutely right that हमारा जो पूरा एक परसेप्शन था that कि शादी के बाद हम कैसे जीने चाहिए, क्या होना चाहिए, क्या नहीं होना
हम
चाहिए लाइफ
सिर्फ
में।
ऐसा लग रहा था कि हम शादी के पहले 6 महीने में नहीं है.
हम्म,
ऐसा लग रहा था कि हम शादी के कुछ 15वें 20वें साल में हैं, जहाँ पे हम सिर्फ मंडेन रूटीन की चीजें करते हैं.
Yeah.
और लाइक व्हाट आई कीप टेलिंग यू वाज कि यू वर माय दूर का रिश्तेदार. इट यूज्ड टू रियली फील लाइक इट.
Yeah. True. Absolutely true.